Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In TallyPrime, the activation-reactivation failed due to gateway server installation failure error occurs when the permission of Tally gateway server is not set to full control and the activation or reactivation fails. This video will guide you to resolve this error by setting Tally gateway server permissions to full control, enabling TallyPrime to communicate through the Windows Defender firewall and ensuring both inbound and outbound rules are enabled. First, let's see how to set the permission of Tally gateway server to full control. First, you have to delete all the .dmp files and then set the permission of Tally gateway server to full control. To delete all the .dmp files, open TallyPrime and press F1, Help, and select About. Under the Product Information section, click Application Path. A pop-up will appear asking you if you want to open the application path in the File Explorer. Select Yes. In the TallyPrime installation folder, find the tally.dmp and gateway server.dmp files and delete them. Now, to set the permission of Tally gateway server to full control and open the TallyPrime installation folder in your computer. For example, open C drive. Click Program Files and select TallyPrime. Locate the Tally gateway server. Right-click and select Properties. Select Security and then click Advanced option. Select Continue if prompted to continue with administrator permission. Enable inheritance and give access to full control. After making the changes, click Apply and OK. Refresh the screen and restart TallyPrime. Now, let's see how to enable TallyPrime to communicate through the Windows Defender firewall. In your computer, go to Settings. Select Privacy and Security and then Windows Security. Go to Firewall and Network Protection Settings and click Allow App through Windows Defender. Note that, depending on the Windows version you are using, the option Allow App through Windows Defender can be shown as Allow an App through Firewall. Search for TallyPrime and TallyPrime Gateway Server and provide the access to communicate over the Windows Defender firewall. Save the changes. Now, let's see how to enable both the inbound and outbound rules. In your computer, go to Settings. Select Privacy and Security and then Windows Security. Go to Firewall and Network Protection Settings and click Advanced Settings. Select the inbound rules and the TallyPrime folder. Click Enable Rule. As you saw, you can easily resolve this particular error by setting Tally gateway server permissions to full control, enabling TallyPrime to communicate through the Windows Defender firewall and ensuring both inbound and outbound rules are enabled. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.